Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today, we are going to react to the new song of Costa Cashman. Title is Gangsta. This is an official music video. I guess this is the first time that we are gonna react to a song na si Costa Cashman lang, no? Hindi kasama yung buong O-side. Right? I actually don't know, man. I feel like this is the first time na mapapaiga ko si Costa Cashman na kanta lang niya na hindi kasama yung O-side, no? So, I am really excited for this. Gangsta, man. This is uploaded 20 hours ago, man. We are on time, no? Updated. Without no further ado, man. Let's get it. Parental advisory and viewers warning. Okay. Viewers discretion is advised. So parang ano to, no? Oh, masasampalin ng tatay si nanay. Buti napigilan natin, man. Buti napigilan natin yung pagsampal ni tatay kay nanay. But parang medyo masaya naman nato to bata sa nangyayari. But yeah, ano ba to? Parang like two perspective or lifestyle na napagdaanan ni Costa Cashman, ganun ba? Like, that's why we have two views. Woo! Ay, yung dalawang klase ng mga rappers na gusto ko na painggan, no? Either you have like, you know, the technical ability na magsulat ng sobrang like mind-blowing na mga bara, like let's say for example like Looney or Glock 9, no? Mga ganong klaseng sulat, or you can be just be real, no? Yung maayos na sulat, like lahat is fit, like, you know, every rhyming is fit, and also lahat ng sinasabi mo is mabibigat, even though kahit na medyo shock value lang siya, but you know, you see if nagkapanggap o hindi. So basically sinasabi niya dito, hindi niya kailangan panggap. Maybe wala akong punch, pero lahat ng sinasabi ko is totoo. Let's go. Oras ko bayad kung gusto mo akong tumulak. And I don't know where to look, no? I don't know where to look. Napakaganda ng mga shot na ito, no? Both side. No, both side is napakaganda yung shot, man. Ooh. Oh man, this is fucking banging. Who's the one? Who's the guy that is singing? What the hell? I have like an old, like early 20s hip hop vibe, no? Man. Sabi niya doon. Sabi sa kabilang side, paglaki niyan, addict din yan. And then other side is malaki talaga potential ng karir mo. Kasi dito mana-mana lang yan. Right? Like the difference, man. That is a flex, no? Milyonaryong 22. Oh, man. Makapaisip ko na lang kung anong ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. 30 na, wala pa akong milyon. 30 na ako, wala pa akong milyon. Hey. Magazine cover, pag kami bumabala mong it's over. Yeah, heard I'm this, I'm that, I'm all of the above. So I'm a big bad bitch, wine and dove. Hey.
Kinikilig gusto nila ng minimigan to kapag ka-superstar legit at hindi wannabe. Silaw sila kumikinang gusto nila ng PC. May walang kagayang wanna fan ang pasa ko yung kilo.
Hey, the hook is fucking fire, man. Hey, hey.
I got you, baby. Mahal ko mga bitch, gangsta from Manila. Papakita ko Manila.
What the fuck was singing, man? Who the fuck is singing? Ano ba tayong ano dyan? Kung sino yung kumakanta? I'm not seeing it.
Gangsta from Manila. Papakita mo Manila.
Sabay. Hey. Oh shit, that's fucking fire, man. That's fucking fire. That two perspective of two types of gangsta, man. That's two types of gangsta. That's the reason why the title is Gangsta. What the hell? Nagkita yung dalawang perspective, man. This fucking idea of music video is fucking crazy, man. Parang ngayon ko lang nakita to, no? Side by side. Oh, man. Kung sino naman nag-conceptualize ng... Ayun, makamatay talaga ako. Kung sino naman nag-conceptualize ng music video na to, big ups sa'yo, man. Big ups sa'yo. Good music with a good music video. Nice. Alright, that is, again, Costa Cashman, Gangsta official music video. Man, that song is a vibe, lalo na yung hook, no? And yung vocals talaga, yung rapping voice ni Costa Cashman, napaka-solid, no? Meron siyang dalawang klaseng rapping voice, yung parang medyo aggressive. And also this one, na sobrang chilero lang. And at the same time, you know, we have to... The music video is just... It's just perfect, no? Like the concept, the style, yung side-by-side perspective, napakagaling, no? Napakatalino ng music video. All in all, man, this is 10 out of 10 music video. It's a 10 out of 10 music video. I feel like this is the first time na nakita ko yung ganitong klase ng style ng music video sa Pilipinas. But yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, no? I really enjoyed that song. And if you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, nag-react din tayo dyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.